Hey guys, just had to remove the bumper here. Rodents got into my wiring. Behind the bumper, it's where the blinker wires go. You can see all the tape over here. I had to tape up because of the damn rodents. But yeah, this blinker over here wasn't working because the wire over there was chewed through. So yeah, that's pretty straightforward to remove the bumper though. Just got to get this one main plug here. The other end is here. And then these bolts are right here, usually the 3 bolts. It's kind of easier to get to from in here on the wheel well. You got to remove the wheels just to get in here easiest. Otherwise, you got to try to get in through the top. And there isn't much in there. You can maybe get something in there, but it's hard to get the right angle. But yeah, so you need to remove your bumper. It's pretty easy. Just got to obviously remove all the bolts around the top. You don't have to remove the headlights, anything else really, just the bumper and wheel wells, liners. Oh, and the skirt underneath. Anyhow, hope it helps you guys a little bit. 2017 Ford Escape.